Now coming in, it's day 2 of the Gaza ceasefire, and there's a big statement by top Hamas official going on to say that the hostages will be released on Monday. So Hamas has confirmed that the release of 48 hostages, mostly Israelis who are held in Gaza, is scheduled to begin on Monday morning under the terms of the US-mediated ceasefire agreement. So Rishabh, this is a big update after a wait of close to 2 years now. The hostages will finally release. Now Hamas confirming that the release of hostages will begin from tomorrow.
Well, that is something that will be an important step in this whole Gaza conflict. Remember, we are talking on 12th of October 2025. Since 7th October 2023, these hostages have been in Gaza and have been in the custody of Hamas. And now that the peace plan has been agreed upon, the 20-point peace plan between Israel and Hamas has been agreed upon, brokered by Donald Trump. Credit where it's due. Now the hostages are returning, and that is something that is very, very important. This will be the turning point in the West Asia region. If this conflict comes to an end and there is a lasting peace in Israel, on Israel-Gaza border, as well as a better Gaza for Palestinians, this will help other countries in the region, be it Yemen, be it others, to shape up their future as well. Remember, Gaza conflict has left the West Asian countries on the verge for years, and they have been on edge for years because of the fragility of the region. But if there is a long-lasting peace in Gaza, then it will definitely shape a new future for the region itself.
Okay, all right. Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details. We will come back to you for those updates. Tomorrow is when the hostage release is all set to begin.